safari animal sounds. The lion on safari says roar, roar, roar. Gorilla on safari says grunt, grunt, grunt. The zebra on safari says whinny, whinny, whinny. The cheetah on safari says rah, rah, rah. These are the safari animal sounds. These are the safari animal sounds. Crocodile on safari says snap, snap, snap. Flamingo on safari says honk, honk, honk. The bear on safari says growl, growl, growl. The wolf on safari says howl, howl, howl. These are the safari animal sounds. These are the safari animal sounds. Warthog on safari says squeal, squeal, squeal. The rhino on safari says snort, snort, snort. The hippo on safari says rumble, rumble, rumble. The tiger on safari says grr, grr, grr. These are the safari animal sounds. These are the safari animal sounds. Giraffe on safari says bleed, bleed, bleed. Baboon on safari says wahoo, wahoo, wahoo. The kangaroo on safari says boing, boing, boing. The leopard on safari says chirp, chirp, chirp. These are the safari animal sounds. These are the safari animal sounds. The buffalo on safari says snuff, snuff, snuff. Hyena on safari says laugh, laugh, laugh. The meerkat on safari says bark, bark, bark. The lion on safari says roar, roar, roar. These are the safari animal sounds. These are the safari animal sounds.